to I'm gonna rip my skin. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY. You guys are going to see me do it, and you know, we're going to see if it works or if it doesn't work. So keep watching. So over here I have my pot. So I half a cup of sugar. So half a cup of sugar. Then I'll put 1/8 a cup of lime. I'm using lime. I wanted to use lemon, but I couldn't get lemon, so I'm going to use lime instead. Then I'll take 1/8 of a cup of water. Then I'm going to go ahead and boil that while I change into something so that you guys can properly see me wax my armpits. So I put it in for about 10 minutes, and I was mixing, and this is what it now looks like. So since my cup is plastic, I'm just going to let it cool for a bit, then I'll put it into the plastic cup. The wax is now a bit warm, I think. It's not yet. It's kind of firming up, so I don't know if I did it correctly or not. And it's kind of firming up, so we'll see. So let me reveal you. Okay, so I'm wearing this right. So they said you need the wax. I have these pieces of cloth because apparently you need some pieces of cloth. So yeah, so I kind of grew my armpit hair a little bit, grew it out a little bit, so if you can see that. So I'm going to take this. Oh my gosh, it's really firm. Okay, I need to put some water in here, I think. Okay, so I went ahead and redid it. I had to boil it again because it got firm, so I had to re-boil it again, and now we're going to start. So okay, I think we'll start with this side. Yeah, so I'll take this stuff. I don't know if it's going to work though, but this. Okay, now I'm going to take this piece of cloth, put it on. Let's see now. Nothing happened, to be honest. I have to redo this. I think I'll redo it because this was a fail. Okay, don't worry. I'll definitely redo it because it has to work. It has to work. So this was a fail. So I'll see you when I redo it. I'm back. So today I'm going to start over again because I have my pot and I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar, and then 1/4 cup of lemon, then I'll take 1/4 cup of water. And then now it's time to bring it to a boil. So this is a method I saw. So if you want to see if it's ready, you put it in a bowl of cold water, and if it solidifies, then you know it's ready. But if it dissolves, then it's not ready. So here I can see that it's ready. So now my sugar wax is done. Glass jar, and keep it in there for a while, let it cool. Now I'm going to let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so now it's not so hot, so we're going to wax. I low-key feel like waxing my eyebrows, all my eyebrows off. I don't know, but I feel like doing that, so I'm not really hairy. So I'm going to wax my armpits, so that's that. So I've got this ruler so that I can apply, because I can't be using kitchen utensils, so I'm going to use the ruler. And I have some cotton strips. Okay, let me show you. I cut off from a piece of clothing, so I'm going to use these cotton strips. So let's do it. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. Oh my word. Okay. Okay, so my hair goes up, so I'm gonna go down. So it's time for the grand reveal. I'm scared. Okay, let's do it still. Okay, I'm scared. One. Okay, let me hold my skin because I'm gonna rip my skin. Okay, let me keep it there for a little bit. I'm scared. Okay. 1, 2. One, 2, 3. Okay, that was painful. You did see. Ouch. It took off something, but like not everything. So it did wax me off. Let me show you. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do the bottom. I don't know if I can use the same thing. Yeah, I guess I can use the pot. It did do its job though. Oh yes, it's really taking. Okay, this is what it looks like at the end. So it really did some good stuff right there. So I'm going to now do the next armpit. Okay, now it's time for the cotton strip. I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit because I want to remove everything at once, not like having to do it 5 times because it hurts a lot. So now is the moment of truth. 1, 2. Okay, I'm scared again, to be honest. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'll show you. So you see that? So it really works. Let me check my armpit. It's clean. Let me just there are little bits and pieces left, so I'm just going to take this and use that there. You know what? I might just wax my eyebrows too, because I made an outline over here of where I want to wax, because I don't really have a mirror. So I'm going to wax my eyebrows. I think I'll use the other end. I don't know. Okay, quick disclaimer. If you want to make this wax, and let's just say it kind of dries. Mine kind of dried when I was doing my armpits. So I put my microwave for about 15 seconds and then I took it out and it's fine to use now. So you can do that too. Okay, so my hair is actually growing like this, so I'm gonna pull like that. 2, 3. Okay, I'll show you that it did actually pull off some of my, I don't know if you can see that, but it worked. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh no. I did a bit too much. Okay. Shouldn't have done this. Okay, let me remove. Okay. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. I think I'm going to take a shower because I don't want to be sugary. I feel so sticky, so I'll go and shower now. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to leave a comment and share this. And also, if you learned something, try it yourself at home. And yeah, so bye.